Hello guys, this is Jonathan Steadman, and today I'll be talking about what is a high-level language and what is a low-level language. Well, basically a high-level language is a piece of code that is in a human readable format. So this could be, for example, Python, it could be C++, it could be Java, that a human would understand the language. Whereas a low-level language is similar to binary code, and it's very hard to understand, but the computer will understand what the code is, so it's more of a machine language, a low-level language, whereas a high-level language is more of a human-readable language. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys an example of a high-level language. So Python, for example, if I put down Python onto a terminal, Python 3 then. Okay, now we are here. Now if we just print hello world, then it will print out hello world and an exit. So this is an example of what a high-level language is. We'll be able to tell from here, this is pretty hello world. So as you guys can see, print means we will know that it is going to show hello world onto the screen, and exit will be like that, and that will be exiting from the program. Okay, so basically a low-level language is basically low-level. We show assembly example hello world. So this is how assembly. This is a low-level language. This is how it looks. If I can load up here, so this is how it will look. It is quite hard to understand, but this is how we normally would do assembly language. This is an example of a low-level language. What I will do in the future is teach you guys how to do Python, which is basically a high-level language. And on this YouTube tutorials, I probably will never do low-level language because of how complex it is. But I will teach you guys definitely a high-level language, Python, because Python is best for beginners, as it's quite easy to understand. As you saw, guys, it's very easy to write down hello world. For Java, it will take multiple of lines, whereas for Python, it would only take one line of code. So yeah, guys, basically, let me say this one more time. A high-level language is a language that will program with that is understandable by a human, whereas a low-level language is a language that only a computer will understand and is harder to program with. A high-level language will take a lot more longer to compile than a low-level language, and that is because basically low-level language is similar to binary code, so that's why it's going to be a lot more faster to compile. But I do really recommend a high-level language because basically that will allow you to program much more easily. Anyway guys, I'm going to end the video here. Hope that you guys liked this video, and I will see you guys later. And in the next tutorial, I will teach you guys tomorrow how to do basic Python commands within the terminal. So I taught you an introduction, Python, and put down a 3, then I'll be able to do whatever I want to, such as print hello. Okay, so basically we're going to do something like that, but with a bit more commands, and we're going to actually learn how to add numbers together, how to make variables, how to multiply numbers, how to divide numbers, and how to minus, subtract numbers. So these are what we're going to do next time. Anyway guys, thanks for watching, and yeah, bye.